guys, umulit kami.
Maybe I should take a look at the paintings.
Pinas. Ha? Pinas mo? Hindi.
Guys, ito guys.
Tingnan nyo
Tignan
guys.
natin yung picture ni Shrek.
Ganyan yung picture ni
Tingnan mo
Shrek.
nga ba?
Nakalagot ka.
Oh no, what have I done?
Natakbo.
I should do something.
Wait lang. Nakabasa. Hide the painting or run away. Run away. Run away. Go. Go.
Last night you took a big dump in my
Aray
toilet.
ko, mulit tayo.
Now you have to help clean up the toilet floor.
Okay.
Let me try. Let me try it.
Kasi may dalawang lives ako. Ha? Kaya rin, may dalawang lives ka rin. Oh, happy ka na, Shrek? Happy ka na? Tara, bulin natin yung tao dun sa taas, guys.
Gawin mo na lang is mag-ano ka na lang. Hide mo.
Go!
Who was that?
I-hide mo na lang.
I don't feel sleepy. Maybe I should take a look at the paintings.
Ba't may...
Mukha ni Shrek, guys.
Oh no, what have I done?
Hide the
I should do
painting.
something.
Okay, go.
Oh, that was close. Who could it be? Hi, how could I help?
Just checking in. There's some noise coming from upstairs.
I didn't hear anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, everything is fine.
All right. Good night then.
Wala naman. Maliwanag na ba? Pakipatay, wey. Okay, guys. Ito naman, day 3, guys. Anong pinapanood mo, boy? Oh, si Puss, Boots! Thank you, Boots. Chinese food.